The founding decree of 1891 from the Specola Academy reveals Rome's secret intention to map the cosmos. This mandate directly contradicted the official teachings of the era. The document was signed by Pope Leo XIII. It established institutional legitimacy for stellar observation within the Church. Yet, a line in the archive suggests this legitimacy was a mask. It hid knowledge the religious authorities sought to keep out of reach. Meteorite samples preserved at the Vatican, validated by Guy Consolmagno S.J., are they mere geological artifacts? Or do they carry a trace of direct cosmic interaction? This detail changes the entire reading of celestial history. The founding decree of the Specola Academy dates to 1891. It was only declassified in. This document mandates the scientific study of celestial phenomena. It represents an institutional attempt to integrate astronomy into theology. However, the technical specifications of the VATT, the Vatican telescope, reveal details that exceed the public capabilities of the time. The archive suggests these specifications detail an observation technology never meant for public release. When researchers consulted these files, they found references to observations made between 1891 and 1910. These records show cosmic anomalies that the religious authorities in Rome systematically ignored. The researchers noted that this institutionalization of astronomy was an attempt to preserve a lineage of knowledge. The religious authorities deliberately suppressed it for reasons of control. The physical archives of the Vatican meteorites offer a tangible history of the cosmos. Over 1,000 samples exist in these collections. Testimonies from Guy Consolmagno S.J. suggest these samples contain data on direct cosmic interaction. Researchers found that studying these materials reveals a dimension of knowledge that was never disclosed. They show a cosmic history that the official narrative attempts to minimize. Internal documents concerning the VATT indicate observations that directly contradict the official doctrine of the time. The existence of the rumor LUCIFER, concerning a nearby telescope to the LBT, suggests active extraterrestrial surveillance. This information is actively denied by the Church's official channels. The file reveals a direct opposition between the Church's doctrine and scientific discovery, materialized in objects and data. If this tension is not a simple anomaly, but the reflection of an intentional pattern. The archive suggests that the alignment between stellar observations and the material composition of meteorites is not coincidence. It marks a structure of knowledge that the religious institution sought to contain. What remains unexplained is the exact nature of this structure. What function did this data serve within the theology of the era? Researchers who accessed these files deduced that a broader cosmic history was deliberately concealed by a narrower doctrine. This was not the sole program the archives chose to bury. The internal report from the VATT indicates instrument calibration that exceeds the astronomical capabilities recognized at the time. Samples of meteorites, analyzed by Vatican teams, show isotopes whose signatures do not correspond to known terrestrial geological processes. This dissonance was documented in 1912. The file was immediately classified. If the intent was to preserve knowledge, why did total silence persist for more than a century? And if the real question is not what is hidden, but why this file has surfaced now? This program is officially closed. What replaced it, that is a conversation for another day.